If you're looking for quiet alarm clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 quiet alarm clocks. Number 1, most popular, by CHENG. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by CHENG. Number 3, by Slash. For more details about this great alarm clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Lilyshome. Number 5, also by Lilyshome. Find these quiet alarm clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Slash. Number 7, by 88 Store. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Seiko Watches. Number 9, by Hippie. Discover more quiet alarm clocks ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Moon.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.